Hello students, welcome to Sora Sir's classes. In this video, I'll be solving some subjective questions from the book Tomato. Now, in this question, we have a sequence xn such that x1 is equals to 2, x2 is equals to 1 and 2xn minus 3xn minus 1 plus xn minus 2 is equals to 0 for n greater than 2. Now, we have to find the expression for xn. Now from the question itself, we can write that 2xn minus 2xn minus 1 is equals to xn minus 1 minus xn minus 2. Now putting n is equals to n minus 1, we will get the equation as 2x n minus 1 minus 2x n minus 2 is equals to x n minus 2 minus x n minus 3. Now putting n is equals to n minus 2, we will get the equation. I'm again changing the color. We will get 2x n minus 2 minus 2x n minus 3 is equals to x n minus 3 minus x n minus 4. If we continue so now then by putting n is equals to 3, we will get 2x cube minus 2x square is equals to x2 minus x1. Now adding all these equations together, we will get the answer as 2xn from the first term of first equation minus 2x2, that is the second term of last equation, is equals to xn minus 1, the first term of the right hand side of the first equation, minus x1, it is this one. This implies 2xn minus xn minus 1 is equals to 2x2 minus x1, which is equals to 0. This implies we are getting it is equals to 0 because we know that value of x2 is 1 and value of x1 is 2. So this implies 2xn is equals to xn minus 1. This implies xn is equals to half xn minus 1, which is equals to half square xn minus 2 and so on. So we have xn is equals to 1 by 2 raised to the power n minus 2. In the next question, we have to show that if there is a function fx which is continuous such that f of x is equals to integration 0 to x ft dt, then fx is identically equal to 0. Now, we have fx is equals to integration 0 to x f of t dt. Then f of 0 will be equals to integration 0 to 0 f of t dt, which is equals to 0. So f of 0 is equals to 0. So we will have f of 0 is equals to 0. Now again from the question, f of x is equals to integration 0 to x f of t dt. Then differentiating it with respect to x, we will have f dash x is equals to f dash x is equals to f of x. This implies integration of f dash x divided by f of x dx is equals to integration of dz dx. This implies limit mod of f of x is equals to x plus c, or f of x is equals to e raised to the power x plus c, or it is equals to k into e raised to the power x, where c and k are constants. Now putting x is equals to 0, we will get f of 0 is equals to k into e raised to the power 0, which is equals to 0. So our k is equals to 0. Thus f of x will be equals to 0 for all x.